Hello everyone. Welcome to our English learning podcast. Today we are going to talk about a simple day in my life. This podcast is for English beginners. So please listen slowly and repeat after me. Good morning. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I get out of my bed and brush my teeth. Then I wash my face and drink a glass of water. After that, I take a shower and get ready for the day. At 7 o'clock, I have breakfast. I usually eat bread, eggs, or some fruits. I also drink tea or coffee. Then I start my work. Sometimes I work at home and sometimes I go to work. I meet my friends and colleagues. We talk about our work and our daily life. At 1 o'clock I have lunch. After lunch I continue my work. In the evening I come back home. I feel a little tired, but I am happy because my work is finished. In the evening, I like to relax. Sometimes I watch television. Sometimes I listen to music. I also like to practice English for few minutes. At night, I have dinner with my family. We talk about our day. After dinner, I brush my teeth and prepare for bed. Finally, I got to bed at around 10:30. I think about my day and make a plan for tomorrow. Now, let's practice some easy sentences. I woke up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I have breakfast. I go to work. I meet my friends. I have lunch. I come back home. I practice English. I go to bed. Try to repeat these sentences every day. Don't worry about making mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural part of learning English. Thank you for listening to today's English podcast. Practice a little every day. Speak slowly and believe in yourself. See you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep smiling. Thank you.